Good morning, everybody. We're here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're going to twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. A little bit chilly out here. Sun's setting quick on us.
Where are my rubber bands?
We're going to try to get one twisted up and good to go. Gonna do a nice traditional spiral pattern. Been a little while, I know. We've been busy building a new place to live, new filming location, new everything. Figured we'd do a quick little tie-dye session today, just a few shirts, just to get the process moving. And we're about to be rocking and rolling again soon. To the dyeing rack?
Let's go.
Off we go.
Okay. That should cover it.
What's the color assortment going to be for this one?
Let's try a rainbow.
Rainbow.
And it is cold out today.
Yeah, it's quite chilly out here, people.
Quite.
What color is that? Maroon?
This is dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. And it's quite chilly out here. That deep orange.
Orange sorbet.
Orange sorbet.
Daddy's a little rusty,
Well,
isn't
it's
he?
been a minute, man. I gotta get caught back up. You notice, people, it's nice and quiet where we're at. No more highway noises, just chirping of birds.
Isn't that nice?
Some beautiful citrus yellow.
And this is granny apple.
Some granny apple. Granny apple green. Sorry if there's any wind noise, people. It is kind of windy out here. We live on top of a very windy hill. Been a little while.
And this is Cayman Isle.
Some Cayman Isle. We'll be topping it there with deep purple.
Yeah.
Ooh. Deep purple. So, all told on this one, we have
Flip it.
dragon fruit, orange sorbet, citrus yellow, granny apple green, Cayman Isle green, and deep purple.
Beautiful little color scheme.
Oh yes. Yes indeed. As you see, we don't have grass yet, people. We only have straw. Unfortunately, it was an undeveloped area a few months back, but we barely have some grass peeking through, as you can see. A whole lot of straw.
I think that's the beauty of it.
Yeah, as soon as it gets warm, we'll have more grass and we know what to do with. So. Then I guess we'll have to make a video fixing up our riding lawnmower down there. Now that we have grass to cut again.
Fun
More
stuff.
Cayman Isle. That looks awesome. Hopefully this dye sticks well. To the drying rack.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
I'll put that one on the bottom.
Bottom shelf where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.